All right, today we have the Linksys. I don't even remember what model this is. Linksys something. Oh, here it is. Linksys Ac2200 Maxstream AC2200, and then that MU-MIMO tri-band router is just some other fancy stuff. So here we have the unboxing of it. Couldn't find any scissors, so I'm going to take these pair of tweezers here, and I'm going to roll on this seam here. Hopefully it's a lot easier. So some of the features that it has, I don't know if you can see that there. Tri-band, 2.4, 5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. I don't know how it's tri-band, but we'll figure that out later. MU-MIMO, multi-users. I mean, multi-users can have access at the same time. It doesn't just say, for example, you have 3 devices. It doesn't give one device data, cut that off, then go to the second, cut that off, then go to third, or do priority. It gives them all 3 at the same time. For medium household, up to 15 plus devices. Wait, so what does that mean? At least 15, it should say. I don't know. Whatever. Easy setup. 2x2 AC. Don't know what that is for. Advanced security. Of course, you need advanced security. I would recommend WPA2. That's the latest one out there that I think you can get commercially for residential. USB port 3.0. Some people are still running on that 2.0, but it has the 3.0 and it should be backwards compatible. Quad core CPU, 716 megahertz quad core CPU. So instead of you know, most of the time you'll dual core, but now the later ones come with quad core. It's supposed to be more efficient. You break down tasks amongst 4 smaller people than 2 large people, if you're thinking about it in that sense. Beamforming technology. Okay, I guess it shoots beams directly. I don't know how that works out. Figure that out later. 4 adjustable antennas, smart Wi-Fi access, and seamless roaming. Okay, whatever that means. So the tri-band is saying up to 2.2 gigabytes combined speed. That doesn't mean you're gonna get 2.2. That's just in a perfect scenario, you get that much, but you should be getting, depending on your service provider, some fairly good speed out of this, and depending on your modem too. Should put that. All right, so it comes with the quick start guide. All right, after the quick start guide, where am I going to put this? Put this on the side right here. After the quick start guide, on the side here you have the Ethernet cable. Put that on the side there. The power adapter, definitely going to need that or else it won't run. Some kind of paper over this or protection over that. Throw that off to the side. Oh, here it is. It's lovely. Oh, it already has 40 antennas already on there, so you don't need to screw that up. Okay, and then that stuff you peel off there. I guess it's the ventilation so that heat can escape. Here go 2 other antennas. I'm gonna pull this stuff off. Don't want to mess that up here. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. And the antennas are sitting flush there. Let me turn these here. All right, so you have your reset button there. Get that into view. USB 3.0. Ethernet 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one is from your cable modem or your DSL modem for the people who still use DSL. Okay, so I was making fun of the people who still use DSL. I guess that's probably why it cut off. I don't know. But then on the bottom, I'm not going to show you the bottom side, but it has the serial numbers and all that other stuff. But yeah, I don't use DSL, so cable mode all the way. All right, I'll let you guys know how it runs in the comments later. Take care. Oh, and I'll put all the the link and all that other stuff and the amount that I paid